What's up guys, welcome back. Today is another day and we cannot leave a man down. Tomorrow is horsepower for hope and Ryan's piece of shit McLaren that always lets him down has let him down yet again. The battery's dead, and if you guys don't know, a McLaren is like 9 grand Canadian or like 7,000 American to replace the battery. We're gonna go fix it for him on the house because Ryan does so much for us. I'm not buying a $9,000 battery, I'm just gonna get the car running because that's the friend I am. So 24/7 Exotics HQ. Peter, I am here to fix Ryan's broken McLaren.
Oh, well, good luck with that.
Okay, that's
as soon as you fix one thing, something else breaks.
Yeah, well,
so I hope you're prepared.
I'm a mechanic.
You have all day?
Yeah.
You have all week?
I came here for this to fix the car. Where is it?
It is at his house.
So it's not here.
No, but you're lucky you're here because we have all the things you're gonna need to take with you to fix it.
Got that posh place? You look like George Clooney standing over there.
Andrew Tate.
Andrew Tate? Yeah, maybe. Yeah. Yeah. So Brian's not home. Can you get us in the house?
Can.
You can?
Yes.
You confirm? Do you have his address? Okay, let's do this.
His wife's not gonna be there and just be like, who's in our garage?
Will his wife be fully clothed when we get there?
That I can neither confirm nor deny.
Well, I can't even make this up. So this is literally in the same spot as the last time we used it for the Civic. It's still sitting here.
That's crazy. Didn't even rain.
So we're gonna take this thing. Do you wanna grab a cord there?
You need the battery too?
Take the battery, take these,
All right, we'll just,
and you guys are laughing.
we're laughing. Okay. Hey, is there no security around here? This is literally in the same spot as the last time we were here.
Well, we have a gate.
You have a gate.
We have cameras.
Okay.
And then we've also threatened neighbors around
Right,
here.
okay.
Last time they tried to steal things.
Right, yeah.
And since then it's worked.
Yeah, exactly. And Daryl is quite intimidating.
He is. He looks like a biker. I kind of look like a biker.
You're bringing that into
Question 2 now.
Peter, how do you actually say your name?
Piotr.
Piotr. How do you actually say your name? Jamie?
Yeah.
Yummy.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna go fix a McLaren now. Seem to have a problem with cup holders in this car here. I don't know.
That guy's drunk smoking.
Ooh, so the frozen dragon fruit, whatever. This is actually really good. Irina, is this gonna make me fat? Yes. Okay.
Hello, Peter here.
Peter, Steve here.
Hey.
Hey, how do I get in Ryan's garage?
He's not there?
No, apparently he's at the lake.
Oh, wow. Jeez Louise. Shit, I don't know. Hello?
Yo, what's happening?
Hey, man, not much. Driving back from the lake.
Good. I'm in your driveway, and Peter told me to come fix your car.
Nice. Yeah, it has a dead battery. Apparently, if it doesn't get boosted, it's a $9,000 battery replacement.
Yeah. Well, good thing you're made of money.
Yeah.
No, but actually, if you can get me in your garage, I'll just start it for you. We'll get us in the garage here, and we'll fix this car. Yeah, like I said, $9,000 Canadian for a battery for McLaren. I don't know a whole bunch about them. I know they're not a traditional lead battery. They're a lithium-ion battery. I do know you can convert them to lead. I don't know the exact process. I think you have to take the computer out and then like the battery computer and then program it. But it's a weight thing. But it's funny, the cars weigh like 3,400 or 3,500 pounds, and they put this special battery in there to save 8 pounds. I don't know. Anyway, all right, we're in. So you always want to make sure you got to run your finger along here because these windows are super fragile. Okay. Oh, we don't even have to. The front's open. There's like a little thing like this. You'll have to move it that way. Ashley's problem, your fingers aren't strong enough here.
I don't need fingers.
So this is a $9,000 battery. It doesn't look like $9,000. Jamie, does that look like $9,000?
It looks like you picked it up from the tire.
Yeah.
It's the same as this one, look it.
Hopefully it's not the underground killing it. Yeah, it does, but that's lead.
I know, but it's the same thing.
I know it's the same thing. Okay, let's make some noise. All right, so we got the charger happening here. Charger's happening there. Lithium-ion battery. Does this door open now?
Oh,
We got lights in here. Dash lit up. We're moving in the right direction.
push the button.
Well, we'll get a little more than 2% battery into it first. Oh, soft close works. Can you get your filthy hands off my car? Oh god. Shout out to Vancouver McLaren. So Ryan's $12,000 exhaust that they put on with pretty sure a pipe wrench. This titanium exhaust.
contact.
Like it's straight. Like look at where the inside tip is there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Like you had one job to do. This car essentially is brand new or was brand new, and
Yeah, there's some inside here underneath.
they had to put a new engine in it, and they wrecked. I don't know. The paint's all chipped everywhere, and
Exhaust is broken.
it's so
keys are
bad.
broken.
Yeah, they broke these drills too. The good news is we have some voltage. We not only have some voltage, we have a Tim Hortons cup. Yeah. Okay, I think
Alright, again.
Seriously?
yeah, no power. Oh wait, I think you gotta actually hold on. I remember this now. No, that. So when you watch this after, Ryan, you have to press and hold the unlock button to resync the key with the car. It's a key point. Another Bruce lady. It's not bad. Hey, listen. You hear that?
The car running.
That's the sound of a running McLaren, my friend.
right. That's
yes,
right.
you hear that? He literally told us to leave the car running in his driveway. He's not even home. Like, how do you feel about that?
Do you think Ryan cuts his own grass?
Ryan?
Yeah.
Does Oprah cut her own grass? Ryan doesn't cut his own grass. Anyway, no, Ryan. We're not leaving your car running in the driveway. We're gonna wait for you. That's what we're gonna do. That's what a friend would do. That's what he would do for us. He stores my cars. We'll just wait here. Well, as I'm thinking, the neighbors are thinking Ryan's home. I don't know how many blocks away that was we heard him, but you could just hear somebody ripping on a Cummins. Look what we did.
Thank you so much.
Well, I mean, I don't know if it's gonna restart. I wasn't gonna leave it running in your driveway either, so.
Well, I didn't mind. I told you to leave it running
I
in the
called
driveway.
Peter, and
It's
Peter's
fine.
like, no.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That was terminated, was it? That
Yeah.
plan? Well,
Yeah.
thank you very much.
So I would recommend leaving the trickle charger on it because it charges at half an amp.
Okay.
So, and I also didn't hook your underglow up because I don't know if that was a contributing factor.
I think it is.
I think it is too.
So,
Because-
I think we learned a lesson here.
Yeah.
Supercars can't have underground.
Well, Amazon specials hooked directly to the battery, left off the trickle charger for a week.
Right.
I think that's the only
So-
reason that did it.
When I had the underglow still hooked up and I hooked the negative one, there was a large arc. There was a lot of draw.
Okay.
So I unhooked it and it was like half.
Cool.
I mean, I don't have a multimeter here to actually test it.
No, that's cool.
Yeah.
So,
But
I think it's time to go drive the car.
yeah, that's
100%.
running your keys on the roof.
battery.
Anyway, running
So-
car.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Yes, that's what I do for you. It's because I love you.
That's
Oh, and for future reference, there is a conversion kit. I know August uses them, and they're like $1,200 US, and then you could use like a $200 battery in it.
Hey, get down there and smash that subscribe
Hey,
button.
look at the energy.
Yeah, leave this guy a thumbs up because his videos are epic, and Mr. Steve Casson's back on YouTube.